And yep guys, just look at this, everything is very nice. So we have spent... Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to initial deposits of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay guys, so today as always I would like to use several indicators. First of all, let's see what are these. This is parabolic SAR and MACD. Now we have opened the first trade with investments of $500. You can clearly see that this is a buy position because price has reached a strong level of support, and we had several unsuccessful attempts to break trades, and now we will highly likely continue growing. Together with this, according to the MACD indicator, we are in the buy zone and we will highly likely show growth from this point. And we're doing this because you can clearly see that we are receiving a very good reaction and price is trying to grow. So let's just wait and see what will happen. By the way, I'm using, as always, only short time period of just 1 minute, and I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade so that I can save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. And well guys, the first trade is profitable one. We have around $10,450 on the account. We have started with a quite big amount of money on the deposit today. Yep, that's true, because I want to make some huge cash. Well, my friends, so let's change our investment to $950, and we have open sell position here. You can clearly see that price has touched the parabolic SAR line, and here highly likely we will receive pullback reaction and potential downgoing correction. And as you can see, our current tendency is downgoing, so we will highly likely drop significantly soon, and maybe we will drop right now because we need to receive pullback reaction from the parabolic SAR line, and we still are in the sell zone. Moreover, according to the MACD indicator, we are in the sell zone also, and all we need to do is just to open sell position here, and we have already done this. And yep guys, just look at this. We have done this. Let's check USC chef. So well, my friends, we have changed our investment to $1,833, and here I have opened sell position because you can clearly see that we are in the downgoing trend and we will highly likely continue this moment. So we have opened sell position, the continuation of this drop. Together with this, according to the MACD indicator, we are in the sell zone also, because green line is below the red one, and this is giving us signal for the short position. And according to the parabolic SAR, we are also in the sell zone, so we have only one option, is to open sell position. Nothing serious, nothing interesting, everything is very, very simple. Okay guys, so here we have opened sell position, as I told you, and we are in the downgoing movement, and yep, we are in profit one more time. So everything is very good, everything is very nice. Now let's continue. And according to this situation, we are under the pressure. I guess that we will highly likely break through this level right now. So I have changed my investment to $3,482. I guess, no, let's open all in all buy position, yep, because we will highly likely break through this level, and we need to do this right now. Just give me some time to find the best entry point. So we did it. During the previous movements, we were gathering liquidity here, and now, having gathered enough of liquidity, buyers, I guess, have enough power to finally break through this resistance level. I was doubting whether I should open buy or sell position here because situation is quite ridiculous. However, having thought twice, I realized that yeah, buy position would be the best one here. So well, we have invested these 3,000 bucks. It is 3,000, not 3,400 with something, because the maximum bets that I can make here is just 3,000. And yep, my friends, let's check. By the way, according to the MACD, we're in the buy zone, so everything is going quite fine. And parabolic size also giving me additional confirmation that we're in the buy zone. And yep, my friends, one more profitable trade. Just look at this. So we have spent just several minutes and we turned our deposit into a very good and tasty sum. So if you want to make profit just like this, you can easily do this, and all you need for that purpose is just to open the description to this video, subscribe to my private TG, and get access to the same kind of online trading sessions. Do this right now, guys, and be with me.